Code signing uses digital signatures to prove software is authentic and unchanged. It assures organizations they're installing trusted versions, not tampered code. Developers or organizations sign code with digital certificates. Users can then verify signatures before running the software. Unsigned code may only run in controlled, sandboxed conditions. Code signing also enforces rights. Platforms like iOS or PlayStation allow only signed apps or games, preventing piracy or unauthorized software. It ensures both trust and control. Examples include signed updates, drivers and patches, App Store apps, and digitally protected console games. Some even use flags that lock content to specific mediums. To recap, code signing verifies integrity and enforces trust. It prevents tampering, ensures authenticity, and supports digital rights management.